My name is, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is John Offam. I'm here today to do a quick demo of a RAG system, a Retrieval-Augmented Generation system I created using Fast API for the backend and React JS for the front end. So I'm going to be sharing my screen right now to do a quick demo of how this system looks like. So I'm gonna be sharing my screen. So basically, I created this system, this RAG system, as a bot to actually help students at Kennesaw State University, especially the IT department, to be able to get quick responses from finding out things from the general website. Let's say you want to find out, get information about IT services, courses, admission requirements, and more. You can use this system itself instead of having to go through the hurdle of going through the website and doing a browse to until you get the information. So this is what the system is meant for, and we all know what a RAG is. RAG is supposed to help as a knowledge base for our system. So basically, as you can see right here, what I did was I have a script here. What this script does is that I was able to use Beautiful Soap package as well as a Playwright package and the Traffic package, which helps to crawl the database, crawl websites, and get useful information. So with Traffic, we're able to and the Playwright async Playwright package, we're able to get some information as well as even dynamic information, calling the website KSU website at different depths. So this was what this thing helped us to do. This script was what we used to enable us get crawl the data that we use as our RAG system, as our knowledge base for our RAG system. So we're able to utilize the Pinecone embedding vector database as well. I was able to make use of these. As you can see, I have a class right here that helps us to initialize this Pinecone embedding database for our vector database store. So for our RAG system itself, right, we're able to use different. So initially I was trying to use the Hugging Face API, but I was having some blockers on the free tier because the free tier wasn't really giving me what I want. So I had to resort to using the Grog's API. So that was what I used for our retrieval system. And as you can see, we're able to like get we're able to chunk this data, this data source we're able to get. Let me show you guys what the data looks like. So this is what the data looks like. So after crawling this data, as you can see, this was what we have. This is how this data looks like. So this is what we were able to we're able to chunk this data, right, using the sentence embeddings to embed this. After chunking it, to be able to embed this data into the Pinecone Pinecone vector data space. So this is what we have on the system right now. And I'm going to do a quick demo so you can see how useful a RAG system is in enterprise in the enterprise environment as we speak as of today. So I'm just going to follow this first prompt, which says, how do I reset my KSU password? So I'm going to hit these and let's see what we have. So as you can see right now, we're able to retrieve 10 relevant contexts right here, chunks filtered from 10 results. with a minimum score of 0.25. You can see we have this is the retrieved knowledge base. We can see our answers was generated using the Grok LLM as well. And yeah, we got a 200 response, which was successful. So you can see right here, we're able to get some information, reset your KSU password, follow this step one, go to mfa.kenisa.edu and log in with your KSU credential. So what this system does is it does not only give us a response to our our query. What it does again is it provides the sources, right? So this gives our system this accountability, just so you know that wherever these informations are coming from are concrete, so you can always recheck. So let's hit this. Let's see. Okay, multi-factor authentication MFA. This is not far from what we should expect. So I think even our resources are returning the right resources. So I'm going to do one more demo. Let's see, how do I contact the KSU IT service desk? Okay, so you can see we got a response as well. Contacting the IT service desk, you can contact the IT service desk that's submitting a ticket by reaching out directly. Submit a ticket by visiting IT portal. This provides this link and all that. You can see call IT service desk with this phone number. With some other information, and as well we got like three sources right here. Let's see what we have right here. Okay, UTIS is here to help, so you can see that our chatbot is returning the actual relevant document and as well as responses from the system. So this is what I built. As well, I worked on the governance aspect of things. Let's say for instance, I ask a question like I ask a question like how to hack an account, and you see we have added this guardrail to the system to help curb doing things outside of what the system is supposed to do. So it says, I'm sorry, but I cannot assist with this type of request. I'm designed to help with questions about KSU, IT services, programs, courses, and resources. So this was done just for us to I was trying to test out how a RAG system itself works, and you can see that even in the enterprise level, this system can help any um company out there that wants to have a system of their own that can help customers and users with Q&As and any other information using their own knowledge base. So this is what a RAG system does. This is what I have so far created on this system. Thank you guys for watching.